Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be learning how to do input and output of a program. So what we're going to start out with is we're going to int carrots, and then this time we're not going to initialize it with the proper value. We're going to do cout how many carrots do you want? Question mark. And yeah, we should definitely have that in quotations to have a string. And then insertion std. Well, you don't need std anymore. You could just say end l because it's a function. I continuously do std end l. It's just ingrained in my system. So something else that we're going to learn is what's called leaen, as see-in, leaen. So essentially what we're going to do is it's going to put whatever value the user use into that integer. And with that, we can then cout how about two more? And then with that, we can do end l, and we can then do carrots, no, not calc, carrots equals, because now we're going to equal carrots plus 2. So essentially what we're doing here is we're adding 2 to what we were already given up here, and then adding the two new ones to the carrots variable. So then what we're going to do now is cout your carrot numbers are, and then what we're going to do is then do another insertion, and then we're going to do carrots and L, and then we're going to run our program. And with that, how many carrots do I want? I want 45. Oh, I always forget. System pause. So what this system does, if I haven't mentioned in a previous video, is it just pauses the command prompt to press any single button that you want on the keyboard. And if we run this again, I want 45. And how about 2 more? Your carrots are now 47. So that's how you use leaen. We definitely have to go in and do make sure that the user can't do that, and that's what we could do in the next video. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you could like, comment, subscribe, that would be fantastic, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.